Hi everyone, this is the gas walkthrough for April 29th. I'm Philip Newman. Today I'm solving Scattered Quadruples Sudoku by Bill Murphy. We do not quite have normal Sudoku rules. We have 1 to 9 in each row, column, outlined region, and the shaded cells that are disconnected are also a region. So there are still 9 regions that need 1 to 9 once each. They are just differently shaped, and one of them is scattered. Additionally, we have some circles in the grid, and the digits in the circles must appear in the surrounding cells. All of the clues in this one have 4 digits, so exactly these 4 digits must appear in these 4 cells. Repeats are allowed and are common in this puzzle. They just can't go in the same region or row or column. So those are the rules, and let's start with those duplicates. In order to place 2 1s here, these 3 are all in the same region, so we can only place 1 in those cells. The other one must go here, and that rules it out of those. And then we have 5 and 7 in the other cells, and we're going to do something similar with the duplicates here. So the other 2 goes here, the other 3, the other 4. And then these are 4, 6, these are 5, 9, and these are 6, 8. Down here we have a 5 that's resolved, and these are 1, 3, and now we're going to be able to resolve some stuff by Sudoku. 1, 3 goes in that order, the 5 makes this 9, 5, and then 7, 5. The 6 is here. We have 3 and 8, which is resolved by the 3. The 7s, we have 1 and 4 resolved by this 1. And then our 8s, 2 and 3 not resolved, but the 8 does resolve 6, 8. And the 6 resolves 4, 6. So I think it's just the 2 and the 3 not resolved yet. And they are in the same region here. So we're actually down to 3 digits in this region, 4, 6, and 9, and 2 of those are up here. So I will go ahead and fill that in while I'm seeing it. And let's check the others. Here we need 1, 7, and 8. 1 can't go in this cell or this cell. And 7 and 8 seem fine here. Here we have 2, 7, and 9. 7 is ruled out of 2 of those. And 2, 9. I guess I should check rows here. 7, 8 left here. This is a 6. And then this region, we need 2, 5, 9. 5 can't go in these. 2, 9, not resolved, but it does give us the pair here, so this is 8. Alright, and then this one must be our other 2, 3 from this pair. These are the same, basically. Alright, am I missing anything that should be resolved? I don't see it. Which doesn't mean it's not there. This digit is resolved. That's what I was forgetting to do. I thought about it as I was doing this and then got distracted by the time I filled in the 8. The gray cells contain each digit. 9 is the last one. So 9 is going to go there. It doesn't give us anything immediately. But we have mostly resolved all but the cross shapes with a few pairs. So let's look at this. We need 6, 8, and 9. This can't be 6 because of this 6. And I don't think there are any other restrictions there. Here we need 2, 7, and 8, so this is 2 or 8, this is 2 or 7, which is another chocolate teapot. Oh, the 8 here resolves this. Okay, so that's 2, 7, 8. That 8 gives us this 7, which rules 8 out of this cell, which places this 8 in the row. Alright, across here we need 2, 4, and 9. This can be any of them. This cannot be 2. For multiple reasons. And here, we still need a 6 to go with the 2, 3, 9. That is not very restricted. Alright, where do we want to look next? I'm sure there's something blindingly obvious. We're missing some odd digits here, 1, 3, 5, 7. 7 is somewhat restricted, but I think it's okay in both of those places. 7 here as well. 7's in one of these cells. This is not resolved. The 2 here. That was just right there. So that's 2 there. That's going to place 2 and 9 here. That clears things up a little bit. 4, 9 and the 6, 9's the 6. I'm missing the 6. Am I missing a 4 as well? Oh, I think so. Alright. Okay, so now we're down to 2, 3, 6 here, so I will go ahead and fill that in. Even though it doesn't look particularly helpful. 1 can't go in any of these cells, so it's in one of these 2. 5 is in one of these 2. 9 is in one of these 2. Got a lot of 8s. So where's the last 8? It goes, oh, not there. It goes here. Scanning badly, apparently. Okay, so now these are 1, 3, 4, 6. Those are the last in the row, but they're also all in this same cross. And so we know 4 is in one of these. That's going to resolve. 4, 9. Our remaining digits are 5 and 7, which we can't do yet. This is not 6. And then these are from 1, 3, 4. Okay. This is the sort of thing I was looking for and just wasn't seeing it. 3 and 5 can't go in these cells. So this is 3, 5 like this. It's the only place they can go. These are 1, 2, 4, and 9. And so this must be the 6. This is not 3. This is not 4. The 3 is placed there, so that's actually going to resolve all of that. That's not 4. That's not 4. This is our 4. 3 resolves our 2 3s over here. Okay, these are 1, 9, which we can do. That's not 9. That's not 1 or 9. 6, 2, 1, 5, 6, 7. So that is going to be 5 and 7 in that cell, leaving 2 here. 1 can't go in either of those either, and 6 can't go here. 5, 7 there. 5, 7 here. The 7 here resolves all of these. And then we get 3 and 7 to finish it off rather abruptly. So that was definitely a scattered solve. Nothing too difficult in any of that, but just scanning a irregular grid, and especially a scattered irregular grid, it's just less natural. So, yeah, don't be surprised if a puzzle like that takes you longer than you would expect based on the technique difficulty. It's just harder to view. But a fun puzzle, and a good setup with the quads. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Let us know how you did in the comments, and I will see you next time.